Hello, and it's good to see you here. Here's yet again a new video for a quick recipe to help you plan a healthy breakfast while you're on a weight loss regime. This recipe involves very little or no cooking at all, and so the best to try on days when you are at the verge of skipping your breakfast just because of a busy schedule or maybe a tiresome morning. Also, this is again the part of our breakfast series for weight loss, and I hope that it's gonna be of some help to you. Do check out the recipe and let us know how you like it. Our first step is to make a simple mix of milk. So I'm taking some lukewarm milk. Low fat or skimmed milk is preferred. Into that, I'm going to add the evaporated milk. Now, if you want sweetness, you can simply add a splash of honey or maple syrup, though I just like to keep it this way. This whole recipe calls for 2 serving size. You can adjust it according to your choice. Then give a good mix and then keep it aside while we make the other preps. So here comes our main ingredient, the rice cakes. Now, this is the one I have taken. You can opt for similar kinds or even you can use the puffed rice. And here for making 1 serving size, I am taking about 2 to 3 rice cakes. And then let's simply pour in the milk mix we have previously prepared. Milk, as we know, is a good source of high quality protein. So be generous and add so as to soak the puffed rice. Then keep it aside for a while so that the rice cakes absorbs the milk and become soft. It may take about 5 to 10 minutes, and in the meantime, let's prep some fruits. As of now, here I'm taking a ripe mango. You can take any alkaline fruits of your choice. Clean and prep the fruit and then chop them to small bite-sized pieces. I also would like to remind you that a healthy protein diet is in fact very significant in weight loss. It is more filling, reduces hunger, and keeps you full for a longer time. Apart from that, high protein intake is also good to preserve the muscle mass, at the same time promoting fat loss. There's a whole playlist of recipes for breakfast ideas already shared in this channel. So if you're interested for making new and healthy recipes each day of your weight loss journey, do check out the recipes and you can find the link of the playlist in the description below or here in the button. So here's one mango chopped well to small pieces. Now let's top it over a rice pudding. And here I'm using half portion of the mango for 1 serving size. A positive weight loss is not only counting your calories but also burning your calories. So along with all the healthy eating habits, try to develop a regular physical activity also that will in turn promote a steady and sustainable weight loss. I also like to top it with a scoop of fresh cream, but this is optional. A high protein diet reduces cravings and prevents overeating, and it also helps to stabilize the blood sugar levels. And lastly, some chopped pistachios or any dry fruits of your choice. That's it. Here's a quick rice pudding ready to serve. It's healthy, easy to make, and remarkably a filling recipe. So serve this as a breakfast and make plans for each day with new varieties and healthy ideas for your weight loss journey. So that was a good time with you, and I hope that this video would be of some help to you. That's it. And so thank you for being with us and hope to see you soon in our next video. And as always, if you like this recipe, don't forget to share it with your loved ones.